Okay, folks, welcome back to the channel, where we make sense of sense and dive deep into the world of investments. Today, we're switching gears to chat about a topic that's hotter than a summer sale at your favorite store: fixed income exchange traded derivatives, or as the cool kids say, bond ETFs. Grab your notebooks, because class is in session. When the economic weather forecast predicts a slowdown, bond ETFs become the umbrella everyone wants. Let's break down the options and find out which bond ETF is your financial soulmate for those rainy economic days. Starting with the long haulers, we've got long-term bond ETFs. These are like the marathon runners of the bond world, going the distance with maturities over 10 years. Think of them as your go-to for a big price appreciation party when interest rates decide to take a dive. Eyeing some options? Check out the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF, TLT, or the Vanguard Long-Term Bond ETF, BLV, for a front-row seat to the action. But what if you're feeling a bit more adventurous? Enter the PIMCO 25-plus year, Zero Coupon U.S. Treasury ETF, Zeros. This one's for the thrill seekers looking for more bang for their buck in a falling rate scenario. High risk, high reward. Are you ready for it? Now, let's not forget about the middle children of the bond ETF family, intermediate term ETFs. These funds are the Goldilocks of bonds, not too hot, not too cold, with maturities chilling between 3 to 10 years. They offer a sweet spot of decent yields and the potential for price appreciation, minus the wild ride of long-term bond ETFs. Vanguard Intermediate Term Corporate Bond ETF, VCIT, and the iShares 7 to 10 year Treasury Bond ETF, IEF, are where it's at. But why pick and choose when you can have it all? Broad market. Bond ETFs are like the buffet of bonds, serving up a bit of everything from the U.S. bond market. Dive into the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, BND, or the iShares Core U.S. Aggregate Bond ETF, AGG, for a taste of diversification at its finest. Feeling worldly? Spread your wings with the Vanguard Total International Bond Market ETF, BNDX, and take your portfolio on an international tour without leaving your living room. And for those looking to keep Uncle Sam's hands off their hard-earned cash, municipal bond ETFs, like the iShares National Muni Bond ETF, MUB, and the Vanguard Tax-Exempt Bond ETF, VTEB, offer tax-free income at the federal level. It's like finding money in your winter coat pocket, but way, way better. Remember, folks, while bond ETFs can be your financial safety net in uncertain times, always keep your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon in check. The financial weather is ever-changing, and staying informed is key. Now, while I tend to flirt more with equity ETFs, what can I say? I love the stock market drama. Exploring the world of fixed income ETFs is like adding a secret weapon to your investment arsenal. If this whirlwind tour through the realm of bond ETFs sparked your interest, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and show some love in the comments. Your support means the world, and I'm here to keep bringing you the financial insights you crave. If this peek into world of fixed income ETFs was interesting, smash that like button, subscribe, and thank you for all your support. It means a world.